Shaolin for kids. Now, today's lesson for the day is going to be footwork. The word of the day is going to be focus. And the animal is the leopard. Okay? All right, kiddos, let's get started. Hey, kiddos. All right. So as you saw in the intro, we're going to be learning quite a few things today. Now, the lesson of the day today, we're going to be learning what's called a horse dance. We're going to do what's called half mooning and shuffling today. Now, before we get started, you're going to need a few objects. Okay? Now, hold on a second. Let me show you real quick. All right, so if you don't have cones, that's okay. Use plastic cups. Plastic, not glass, okay? But plastic cups. If you don't have cups, that's okay. Use your shoes. See? Shoes. These aren't my shoes.
What?
I don't know whose shoes are. But all you need is at least a pair of shoes or 2 pairs of shoes. Okay? All right, here we go. Let me go put this away real quick. All right, kids, let's get started. So let's bow in. Ready? Hands to your side. Hoos. All right, good focus. Bow. Hoos. All right. So we're gonna warm up right away, guys. Now the first warm we're gonna do. Now I put this yellow tape here just to show you guys a little bit of a reference. It's called hot plate footwork. Now the word of the day is focus. The animal is leopard. Now the leopard is known for its footwork, so we're gonna warm up using feet. A lot of feet exercises today, so follow along. Watch. I'm gonna go down like this. Remember, elbows down, fists are up. We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna tap the yellow part like this, and we're gonna go fast. We're gonna go 15 seconds. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoos. All right. Now, we're gonna go a little bit longer, but a little bit faster because we are learning about leopard. Ready, guys? Here we go. And we're gonna go 20 seconds this time. Count with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoos. Oh, good job, guys. Very good. That's called hot plate exercise. All right, now the next one we're gonna do is mountain climbers. Ooh, these are really good. Now, the leopard sometimes climbs mountains really, really quick. So we're gonna pretend that we're leopards and we're gonna be doing some mountain climbers. So watch. Now we're gonna go down like this, just like a leopard. Now our foot's gonna go back and our other foot goes back. We're gonna bring our knees into our stomach, just like that. Now we're gonna do 10 of them, 2 rounds. 10, 2 rounds. Mountain climbers, just like the leopard. Here we go, guys. All right, we're here, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Man, that was a high mountain. Woo! Pretty high mountain there, buddy. All right, now, all right, guys and girls, what we're gonna do right now is this. We're gonna go for the highest mountain. We're going for Mount Everest.
Wow!
We can do it. It's a pretty high mountain. But the leopard never gives up. Ready? Last set. And we're gonna do 10. Here we go. Ready? All right, and go. 1, 2, 3. We're almost there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Nice job. Whoos. Very good. High five, guys. Very good. Now, the next exercise we're gonna do, this one, oh, this one's super cool. This one is called the star jump. The star jump. Now, what we're gonna do is this. Feet are together, just like this. Let's see. Good. By the way, who remembers the word of the day today? Huh? Who does? Oh, you. Focus. Very good. The word of the day today is focus. This is gonna take some focus, so watch me first, Crunch. It's called a star jumping jack. A star jumping jack. We go out and then back in, just like that. We're gonna do 10 of them together. I'll show you again one more time, watch. Out and just like this. Are you ready? You ready? Say yes, sir. All right, here we go. We're gonna do 10, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Awesome job. Whoos. Very good, guys. Now we're gonna be going over our footwork today. Here we go, guys. So our feet are together, our hands are like this. Whoos. Who's ready? Say yes, sir. All right, okay, so now you stick your foot out, just like this. Hands like pretending you're riding a bike or holding onto something. Make a fist, turn, and bring the arms all the way in, just like so. Super good, guys. Now we have to bend our knees. This is called a horse stance. Everybody say horse stance. Very good. One more time, say horse stance, go. All right, very good. So from here, this is the first position. This is the horse stance. Now we're gonna learn how to shuffle. So we're gonna go this way. We're gonna shuffle. Now a shuffle is when your feet come together, they touch just a little bit, then the other leg moves out, just like so. So do it with me. And we're gonna go this way now. Our feet come together and out. We're gonna go one more time that direction. Ready? In and out. Now we're gonna go the other way. In and out. Now we're back to where we were before. Now that's called a shuffle. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna practice shuffling once this way, shuffling once that way. So we can get really, really, really good at shuffling. Okay, here we go, ready? And we're gonna go this way first, and shuffle. Whew, good job. Now we're gonna go this way, go. Whew, very nice. Now we're gonna go back that way, ready, go. Whew, good, and then this way. Whew, very good. Now stay there, hold still. I'm gonna check your horse stance. Good horse stance, knees are bent, that's good. All right, good focus, good focus. Hey, which one of you guys, raise your hand, can tell me the word of the day today, huh? You. Focus is right. Good job, good job. And by the way, you guys are doing great by standing in your horse stance, very good. All right, now, we're gonna do, and you're gonna follow me. We're gonna go a little bit quicker, just like the leopard. The leopard is known for its speed, and the leopard is known for its footwork. All right, let's get started. Here we go. So we're like back into our horse, right here in our horse stance, and we're gonna shuffle this way and then shuffle that way as quickly as we can. When I say go, go. Whoa, very good. Now the other way, go. Woo! One more time, go. All right, let's see if you guys can beat me. Ready, go. Oh, man, you were quick. You were quick. You beat me by this much. Maybe you have the spirit of the leopard. Very nice, very nice. Okay, guys, now, everybody do me a favor. Put your feet together, hands to your side, and say, whoos. One more time, say, whoos. Good job. Now, who can tell me what the lesson is for today? Okay, who can tell me what the lesson is for today? What are we working on? What are we working on? What is karate lesson today? What is it? One more time? Yes, footwork. And that's what we just did. Just like the leopard is footwork. Okay, guys? Now we're going to go over what's called half mooning. Now, half mooning is meaning that you're moving your feet in and out. Okay, so you're going in and out, forward and back. So let me show you real quick. So we're back to that horse stance, right? So let's everybody do it together. Ready? So bend the knees, hands in, to horse stance, chin up. Good. All right, now bring this leg, which is your left leg, bring it in. We'll count for 1, and then you'll step out in front of you, just like this, for 2. All right? Now, we're gonna use the other leg now. Ready? 1, then you'll step out for 2. The same leg goes 1, then 2. So let's try it again. We're gonna do the left leg. This leg right here. As a matter of fact, everybody touch your left leg. Touch this leg. Ha! Good listening, good focus. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Now the other leg. Touch your other leg. Touch that leg. Okay, good. Oh, wait. Who's ready? Say yes, sir. Say yes, sir. All right, good. Good job, guys. Ready? 1 and 2. Great job. Okay, now relax. Everybody relax. Shake it out. You guys are doing fantastic right now. You guys are showing great focus. Now, we're going to go back. We're going to go back. Don't, stop. Don't run into your couch. Definitely don't run into your couch. All right, that's good. All right, very good. So we're going to do it again. We're going to use the left side again, okay? The left side. So remember, we're going to go 1, 2, in and out. Ready? In and out. So in and out. Now, other leg. 1, 2. Good. Other leg. 1, 2. Other leg. 1, 2. Fantastic, guys. Bring your feet together and say, whoos. All right, very good. Now, remember the little tools I said in the beginning of the lesson? These are the things you kind of need, okay? So do me a favor, if you haven't gotten them yet, go get them right now. Grab a pair of shoes. I'll wait, okay? Go ahead, I'll wait. Yep. Make sure that you're not running in your house. Don't rush, don't run. That's how people can fall down. Oh, okay, you got them? All right, very good. Now, I'm gonna use the shoes just to show you guys, okay? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this. We're gonna put a shoe right here, so it's facing forward towards the TV, and then another shoe right here. So they're they're far apart. As a matter of fact, if I put a cone in between, that's how far apart they are. Okay? Now, what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna bring our left foot in, and we're gonna put our foot in between that opening. Just like so. And then our other leg is gonna slide in between that opening and then step out next to it. So the shoe is always in between our feet. Okay, so watch one more time. Okay, so here, I'm gonna bring it in. My foot's gonna go in between the shoe. Now the shoe is in between our feet. And then our other leg is gonna go in between the shoe and then out. Now the shoes are in between our feet. Now, let's add some stuff to it. Let's add our plastic cups. So we'll put another plastic cup there and another plastic cup there. All right. Now, you ready, guys? So put your other stuff there. All right. Good. Who here can remind me of the word of the day? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, you. What is the word of the day today? Focus. Nice work. Very good. Excellent. All right, here we go. So everybody, get in front. Get in front of your shoes or your plastic cups, or you can even use like your favorite stuffed animal that's very small. Okay, nothing too big. Nothing bigger than a shoe. Okay, ready? All right, so horse stance. Let's see who's focused, because that's the word of the day today is focus. All right, so we're going to do it. Ready? We're going to go 1 and then 2. 1, then 2. And we don't want to touch the shoe or the cups. 1, ooh, focus. Ooh, 2, that was a close one. Last one. 1, don't touch the cups. And 2. Very nice, guys. Good job. Very good, very good. Double high five, everybody. Ha! Good job. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to put our stuff away because as martial artists, we are responsible for it, okay? Now, that's also being respectful. Me and you are going to race. We're going to see which one of us is going to win by putting our stuff away. Are you ready? Remember, use good self-control and be careful when you're running around, okay? You don't want to slip or anywhere. Ready? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, I got my cups! I got my shoes! I put it away! All right. Whoa, you guys are already back? Oh man, you guys are super quick and focused. Good job, guys. Good job. High five. All right, now, here's what we're gonna do. Because we were working on our shuffling earlier today, guess what? Okay, working on our shuffling earlier today, we're gonna have you guys practice just like we did earlier today in the class when I was moving around and shuffling and punching the pads and moving away from the pads. Well, guess what? You guys are gonna try to do the same thing, all right? So, I have my pads here, and we have more pads over here. Now, what's gonna happen is this, okay? We're gonna throw the pad at you. Now, stay focused, because that is the word of the day today. What's gonna happen is this. You're gonna be in a horse stance. Just like we did earlier, grab, pull the hand back. When the pad goes towards you, you're gonna shuffle this direction or shuffle this direction. You gotta move when the pad comes at you. Stay focused, because that is the word of the day. And the way we're gonna move our body is gonna be like the leopard, because the leopard is known for its footwork. All right, kiddos, here we go. All right, oh, here we go. Ready? Oh, it's coming right at you, guys. Go! Whoa, that was a good one. Ready, go! Oh, good. Go! Whoa! Go! Keep moving. Ready? Oh, here we go. Stay focused. Go! Go. All right. Go. Very good. Still going. Go. Go. 2 more. This is going to be super duper quick. Boom. Boom. Whoa. You guys did amazing. Good job, guys. Very good. Oos. Excellent job. Good focus. Now, let's end class, guys. Great job today, everybody. Put your feet together. Hands to side. Oos. Very good. Really quick. What is the word of the day? Focus. What animal did we cover? The leopard. Very good, guys. And what was the lesson? Footwork. Very good. Let's end class, guys. Excellent job. Bow. Oos. Very good. Now, guys, don't forget, practice these things, okay? Practice, practice. And you'll get very good at maneuvering your feet, okay? And that's kind of developing your martial arts skills, your ninja karate skills. All right, guys, have a great day. See you next time. Hey, Karate for Kids, if you guys like that karate class, subscribe right here, right here. Every single week, there's gonna be new karate classes, new lessons, new animals, new principles, okay? And there's gonna be ways for you guys to be able to practice this at home. All right, so again, if you guys loved it, please subscribe right here. Every single week, we get new videos and uploaded, so come back and check us out.